Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PHIL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, not to state the obvious or rub salt in the wounds or anything, but a savage day. That opening 30 minutes, the price just plunged. Although I will say that this is what makes things interesting, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But for those of you that have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks that they plunge out of the opening gates and then do something like this the rest of the day. They just bleed and bleed and bleed. But that was not the case here. Yeah, the first 30 minutes was rough, but then the price just basically went sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because there's a big move down and then the price went sideways does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom, that for sure guaranteed a bounce is coming. That's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is it's at least a rational, it's at least a valid thought to have to say, you know what, maybe the bottom is forming, especially when you consider where the price actually went sideways, which was right at that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. So again, does that mean that this is for sure the bottom? No, there's no such thing as a for sure. Is it at least valid? Is it at least rational? Yeah, absolutely. So let's see if the price can actually continue to hold above this area, which down, let me get this mapped out here. So if this is the bottom, well then by definition, it needs to be the bottom. I mean, you don't want to see the price dropping any further. Any further relative to what? Well, right there at 0032. So in my mind, 0032, very important level, because as long as the price does stay above there, that doesn't guarantee a bottom, but it certainly does suggest that, yeah, maybe this is some sort of bottom that has formed and continues to form. So watch that very closely from the support side of things. Now, in the event the price does try to recover back upwards and bounce, key area of resistance at that point to keep a very close eye on is going to be that purple line there, the 50 period moving average, currently valued at 004. So keep your eye on these levels going forward, and let's see if this bounce or if this downwards movement can create some sort of worthwhile upside bounce or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.